Hi, my name is Emmanuel and I work for APEM. APEM is one of the leading manufacturers of HMI interfaces in the world. And so at APEM, I am the digital data manager. Before using Akeneo, there was no single repository for product data inside APEM. So, there were some data stored in the PLM, some in the ERP. So the use of Akeneo allowed us to gather everything into a single place and make it our single source of truth for all product data. And it is a game changer because, instead of looking for data anywhere, we know it is precisely updated in the right place. When we launched our new website based on Akeneo to feed the product data, we saw a large increase in our sales. So is it only because of Akeneo or not? I could not tell, but the fact is we sold more. Being able to provide the exact same data in multiple languages is for us a key feature of Akeneo. The fact that Akeneo is so easy to use, it is being handled by non-technical people, which allows us also to speed up the process because we can ask several people to update their data, without having to back everything. All in all, it's the UX of Akeneo is also a strong part of it because of its ease of use. Yeah. Looking at the future, it's our current project where we are trying to build a complete database for all our product data, moving from series to part numbers. And at APEM, just to give you an example, a single series could have millions of combinations, millions of part numbers. So we won't put millions of combinations inside a PIM, but already putting tens of thousands of them is a huge improvement. And thanks to the flexibility of the tool, we can import, modify inside Excel, use random formulas, re-import inside the PIM. So it's very easy to master a lot of data at the same time. And that is what we are doing right now. And it's looking great already. And that's our best achievement so far, even if it's not totally finished yet. We studied different PIM solutions, and Akeneo was quite new at this time. So I remember that our IT department was reluctant to go on with Akeneo because they were not sure it would succeed, etc., etc. But when comparing the two solutions, we were so convinced that Akeneo was far better in terms of UX, in terms of power. So we made this decision, and now, 6 years later, we are totally confident that we took the good choice. Yeah. I would say the first thing is really to have your directors, your board being involved, that they are aware that data is key, and you have to cherish it, to nurture it, and it's not just a side feature. It's really key. So, onboarding your board is very important. And the second advice I would say is probably that you have to pick the right partner with you. If you have the right partner, you're almost okay, We have a very interesting project right now. Our goal is then, when we have this complete catalog, to be able to share it. This is where we are pretty sure, we are convinced that we will gain a lot of value thanks to that. Being able to share our catalog with distributors, with partners, this is really the next step, and it's very promising for us.